Hello YouTube, how you doing today? Welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I'm going to do a Lightroom classic tutorial. Try something a little new on the channel. So we're going to recreate this photo. I took this photo, let me just go into here. I took this photo from above Dufferin Terrace in Quebec City, Quebec, and this was taken somewhere around the 8th of September, I believe. Anyway, all around Quebec you see these little fellas here, these little pink guys. There's another one here somewhere. So I thought it might be cool to unsaturate the rest of the photo and mask just these guys and leave them in color. And I think it turned out pretty cool. So here's the original. And before you do this, it's best to edit it to your liking. So get your exposure right. You know, you can even do the tone curve and stuff. I didn't bother with this, but we'll delete all the masks here, and I'll just show you how I go about doing this. It's real simple. Zoom in on the fellow that this will work with any color too, by the way. You might have to do a little more finessing than I have to do, just because you'll see in a second. So we want to make sure we have this guy the color that you want, at a fair size in the screen. Go to masking, go to range, color range, and then just draw a box inside of the color, and that'll give you a nice mask around him. Let's get out and zoom out here, and as you can see, we got him and we got him, and it's also getting this up here, but we'll fix that in a second. And you might like that. You might want to keep that there, especially where that ship is kind of in the background. Might be cool to have a little bit of waning color just in the background there. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to fix it. So what we want is we want to select the rest of the image. So we are going to duplicate and invert this mask, and what you'll notice it does is now everything is selected except for the two little guys. I think it did a pretty good job. Let's just see what happens if we go to and we just take the color out of it. And as you can see, we already almost have our image. It's literally just that easy. And like I say, you might want to leave this little bit of red up here. That's pretty cool. We're going to kill it though. So what you do is, if you want to, and you might have to do this a little bit differently, your results might vary, but we're going to go subtract, brush. Is that what I wanted to do? No, that's not what I wanted to do. Don't listen to that. Struggling here. So we're actually going to add the brush, because we want to add the mask over this, and that'll take it right away. And if you see anything else that, you know, snuck through in the color range mask, you can do the same thing. Yeah, and it's basically just that simple. And then you'll come out with an image like this, which I think is very cool. Alright, if you guys have enjoyed this little very short tutorial video, make sure you hit that like button, comment below, let me know that you like this style of video, and I will continue to make them if it gets some numbers. Alright, until next time guys, peace.